such amazing looks. I want that too. Oh, you're already here. Hi, everyone. LaLiLu, you have to see this. Did someone call me? Well, let's take a look. I want a new outfit. Wow, now that's luxury. You know what? Pick the look you want. Ooh, 3 doors. Interesting. Oh, wait, I need to show this to my followers. Which door should I choose? The cardboard one, the golden one? Cool, right? Or the fluffy one? I think I'll go with gold. All right, here I go. Ooh, what a luxury vibe. Everything is so golden. Wow, there's even an Oscar. Hey, Lali? Yeah? Those pants, totally out of style. Hey! Okay, I'm kidding. I need a chest. Oh, this one? Yep. Take out the treasures. Wow! A duck? Time for you to fly away. Nice, super comfy. Look, I'm going in golden style today too. What's this? Doesn't look like gold. It's material for your corset. Not very luxury. It will be. All right, let's do it. I'll help. Woohoo! What's going on? Lali, wait! Okay, now I need to rub in the gold. So, is it luxury yet? Ah, the golden life. Now let's trim a bit. Oh, scissors! Don't worry, we'll carefully cut off the extra. Ta-da! This can go in the trash. Wow, awesome! Yep, looks great. Oh, what's that? Special delivery for you. Bye! Wow! Look, there's a card from Huntrix. Yay, gifts! Let's open it. Let me see. Wait, what if it's for me? I'm first. Me. What? Another duck? Fly free! And this is our skirt material. Cutting with scissors. Done. Beautiful. Hey, Lali, I need the machine. Oh, 1 second. Bringing it. Here you go. Hop. Hey, another duck? Is this some kind of promotion? A third one? They're taking over my tongue. I'll stitch it in no time. Let's set it up. Turn it on. Let's go. So cool. I'll film this. Hey, I'm live. Hey, LaLiLu, wave to the viewers. Hi. We're making a fabulous skirt. And here it is. Try it on. Awesome. I feel like a princess. It needs a bow. But I don't know how to tie bows. I'll teach you. Yay, let's do it. Let's go. Pinch the ribbon's edge and wrap it around your fingers. Slide the end underneath. Wrap it, pull it through the back, and tighten. Voila, the perfect bow. Wow, that's amazing. Want to try yourself? Yep, I remember everything. Ta-da! Wow, yours is even better. Let's combine yours and mine. Great idea. And done. Ready to attach. Huh? Oops, we meant to put it here. I like it like this. All right then. Oh, what's that over there? Another gift. LaLiLu, hello! If it's another duck, I'll start quacking myself. Let's check. Yay, not a duck. Here. Oh, there's something else. A duck. Oh! Hey, where's Lali? Ah! Hey, this is yours. I can't believe it. They're following me. What are we gonna make from this? Let me think. How about sleeves? Huh? Well, that's an idea. Let's take off the old ones. Wrap the arms with wire like this. Great. Now the legs too. Lift them up. Keep them straight. Hey, don't fall. I'm trying. Take off the sneakers and wrap the leg. I have to show this to my followers. Look at this beauty LaLiLu's making for me. Done. Ah! I'm okay. All right, let's put on the boots. Come on, get on. Of course, and Lali's on her phone. Don't you want to put it down? Let's decorate your hairstyle. Yes, let's. Lali idea, hearts. And a LaLiLu idea, a bow. Ta-da! I need to take a selfie right now. What a beauty. Oh, Lali is so photogenic. Huh? Rumi? I came for a visit. I'm so happy to see you, bestie. You're a total slay queen. This look is stunning. Girls, you both look gorgeous. And it's time for you to try the next look. Oh, right, yes. What am I supposed to do here alone?
Excuse me, are these your ducks? They've taken over my bathroom. How many are there?
No more ducks? Where should I go next? Cardboard? Fluff. Yep, this way. Meet me in the fluffy workshop. Wow, everything is so cute and pink. Let's get started right away. Now we'll create your brand new look. Oh, where are all the materials? What do we start with? With my idea notebook. But it's empty. I'll draw everything now. Boom! Look, what do you think? I imagined it a little differently. Then draw it yourself. Easy. It has to be super trendy. 1 sec. Done. What do you think? Totally amazing. Let's start with the skirt. Let's do it. I'll pick the materials. Let's see. Nothing works. Lali, how are you? Oh, this pen is so nice and fluffy. I've got an idea. Perfect material for a skirt. Yep, that's awesome. Meanwhile, let's take measurements. Height, hips, waist. Got it. Transfer it to the fabric. Now, we just cut it out. Can I do it? Of course. Lali, scissor hands. I did it! Oh, it tickles. Wait, now we need to sew it. I'll do it by hand. A couple of stitches, and it's ready. So fluffy. Try it on. It feels so soft. Look in the mirror. I love it. You know who I look like? A cheerleader! Amazing, you're doing great! But we need to finish the skirt. A fluffy pink belt, a shiny chain on the side, just like the sketch. Next, let's make a coat. LaLiLu, first I want a fluffy t-shirt. All right, and what's that behind your ear? Aw, so cute! And one more trick. Ha, so soft. Where's my little heart? Let's make it. Pick a color. Green, yellow, blue, purple. Oh, pink! This one. LaLiLu, here you go. Great, I'll cut the thread into tiny pieces. Like this. What are we doing with them? You'll see. Stick on double-sided tape. Peel off the backing, then attach our fluffy bits. Like this, one by one. So cute. Absolutely adorable, thank you. You're welcome, bestie. Now we can work on the coat. Where do we start? LaLiLu, I have an idea. Flip, turning around. Done. Why are you laughing? Phew, it's getting kind of warm. 1 second, I've got this. Time for scissors. Voila! Wow, this is amazing! And here are the decorations. Let's see what we've got. I'll pick this chain. Decorating the edges, cute bows. Done. What do you think? Ooh, it's super cute. We also need leg warmers. Okay, I know where to find them. My closet has everything. Wow, so many surprise cards! Purple, not a match. These are perfect! LaLiLu, look what I found! Great job, hand them here. Let's open the pink one first. What's inside? Hey, where's the second one? Maybe here? Yay, now I have 2! Let's put them on your legs. Awesome, this turned out so cool. Oh, what's that? What if I pull it? Oops, what was that? Oh, let's make a fluffy hairstyle. Let's do it. Then I'll crochet a chain from loop yarn. I want to try 2. Here you go, thanks. Such a cute braid. Let's tie a bow at the end. I made another one. You're my little helper. Attach the braids into buns. Ta-da! Yay, we did everything! Lali is a trendy, fluffy beauty. My followers are gonna love this. LaLiLu, my phone. Here you go. So many likes, awesome! Lali, we still have the third look, remember? Oh, cool. Hey, why won't it open? Come on. I'll try with my feet. Hi-ya! There's no door I can't get through. Here I go. Told you I'd make it. Oh, bestie, are you okay? Where am I? Hey, where did my fluffy outfit go? Well, that style is over now, remember? Cardboard! Yay! I love cardboard! Plop! I've already prepared outfits to choose from. They're flat. Well, you are a doll. Does that mean I have to hold it all the time? Nope, I've got tape. All right, let's try. There you go. Now it won't fall. Such a beautiful set, but the dress... There's so much cool stuff here. Oh, what's this machine? A cardboard sewing machine. And what's this? Oh, I've got an idea. Oh, this Gen Alpha. Cardboard dresses just won't impress them. Oh, there it is. Lali, what happened? Nothing, I found sneakers. I decided to draw a dress myself on this fancy machine. All right, let's set everything up. Yay, I love sewing. Almost there. Voila, done. Okay, it turned out a bit tight, but at least it's not flat. LaLiLu, check it out. Fits perfectly. Hey, where did she go? I'm on my lunch break. Bye-bye. Gimme, gimme, gimme. No. Come on, LaLiLu. Not happening. Sharing is caring. Don't be greedy. A donut? Not useful. I need a cardboard plate. So heavy. Oh, thanks. There we go. This is for the dress. Don't you need scissors? Just not cardboard ones. All right. Cut the plate in half. Fold the halves together. Attach them at the waist. We'll glue here. While it dries, I'll grab some coffee. Ooh, interesting texture. Yep, cool waves. I'll cut a wavy strip. Decorate the top of the dress. Another one for the waist. What's this for? You'll see. I'll take corrugated cardboard and cut thin strips with a ruler. Look, they curl on their own. These turn into little spirals. Twist them up. Nice. Add some glue and decorate our skirt. I made different shapes. More hearts, please. Totally agree. I'll use a special punch for that. Attach them to the dress. I want to see. Wow, I love it! We should do something with the hair. I've got quilling paper for that. We're just gonna stick it like that? I'll show you a hack. Watch. Tear off a strip and curl it with a ruler. Voila! A perfect curl! Cool! You can also wrap paper around a straw. It holds shape great, like a spring. The look is super fancy, but the shoes don't match at all. But they're comfy! Let's measure your foot. Transfer it onto cardboard. We need 6 pieces. Cut them out and glue and stack them together. Like this, one by one. Decorate the edges with paper. Pink straps. So, done? Try them on, Cinderella. Oh, perfect fit. Feels kinda simple. Here come the decorations. Now that's better. You're a real beauty. So, my subscribers, how do you like my cardboard look? I'm obsessed. LaLiLu made it all. Isn't it awesome? Even my hair is cardboard. Unreal. I had 3 looks today. It was so much fun. Tell me in the comments which one you liked best, golden, fluffy, or cardboard. Love you, Lalix. Bye-bye.